Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add money to Chime Credit Builder card. So you can use your Chime mobile application to transfer your money into your Credit Builder secured account. From the home screen, you need to tap on the green button that says Move Money to Credit Builder. Then you need to select how much of your future deposits you want to transfer automatically to your Credit Builder secured account. If you would rather make a one-time transfer, then you can tap I would rather small and choose an amount to move. Then you need to go to the Move Money screen where you need to tap on the option of Transfer Funds. After that, you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. After that, you need to make sure that you are transferring from Chime checking to Credit Builder. Then you need to tap on Transfer. Your available to spend amount is displayed on your app's home screen under Credit Builder card. So with the help of these steps, you will be able to easily add money to Chime Credit Builder card. But for any reason, if you are having any problem, then you can close the app and try again after a few minutes. And if the problem persists, then you can even contact to the Chime customer support team via chat or by calling to them on this number. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.